friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use and off dark mode on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you can see here is the display and brightness. So just click on it. After you have been click on it, here you can see dark theme. So just click on dark theme. When you click on it, you are going to find the two options. The first option is the light theme, second option is the dark theme. So if you want to set the dark theme, you just click on this option 2. Here the dark theme has been applied successfully, and if you want to set light theme, just click on light theme. Your light theme will be set successfully. You can set it like that, okay? If you want to set, you can select from here the first option or the second option, okay? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.